Good morning, good morning. My name is Hannah Abreu. If you don't know me, I am the blogger behind the blog Kasheribbean.com, and today I am unboxing the special delivery box that I got from Taste of Home. Just got my box. Recipe cards. Strawberry butter. Okay. All spring recipe. Very cool. Very nice. Nice mold. Cute. You can make chocolate out of that. Prince and strawberry colander. Not that I need this so much. Ooh, this looks nice. Black card. Purple remix. Nice. No, it has a cookbook. This is so great. So this is the book. Let's see, it's looking pretty good. It feels like the popover mix is open. It looks like very classic recipes, easy recipes. That's pretty nice. This is the book that came inside. I wasn't expecting that at all. It's really nice. It's very, the cover is hardcover. It's very nice design. I like it. Okay, so we have unboxed the box, and I think, you know, overall the value of this box and the kitchen gadgets that you get, and especially the book, I think the value overall is really good. If you don't want a quarterly box, which I probably won't get, but it's really nice that they have the single box subscription if you want to get it as a treat for yourself, or if you have a friend that is a foodie and love kitchen gadgets and you want to give them something that they will really appreciate. I think it's really cool that they have the single box. The quarterly box is $39.95 plus the $5 for the shipping and handling, and then you have the single box, which is $49.95 plus $5 for shipping and handling. is really nice. You get the book, you get recipe books that are also easy, very straightforward, and you get cool products. Like if you like to try different products and you have like the means to have every other stuff that you can find for your kitchen, you are going to enjoy it.